The Apple Watch Ultra is something we have been demanding since the day one, a proper fitness tracking device from Apple, and that's definitely what we have got. However, the overall feeling, much like with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, that isn't a good enough suite of fitness facilities to rival the immense power of the more dedicated running watches. But that doesn't really feel like the market Apple's going after. But it does not need a Garmin rival, because the hardcore ultra runners are still going to gravitate towards high-end equipment. The Watch Ultra is designed to extend the appeal of Apple's timepiece to more users, those that are more serious about their fitness but not getting up at 4:30 am to do precisely 14 into 400-meter intervals at zone 4 heart rate. However, if you want a watch that will offer some cellular connectivity, and all the models will in inhospitable conditions that will monitor your health or let you quickly call the emergency services, then that's where it excels. It's the watch for those that want power on the wrist but still like the idea that it's a small iPhone 2. We are looking forward to taking this out into the real world and seeing how it performs. Where might it offer the greatest advantage? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.